Hello children, our question for today is find the product. And yesterday I told you the meaning of product. When we multiply two numbers, we obtain the product. Let us take the example of 32 multiplied by 23. In this case, we can't do this orally, so we have to place them in proper order. Just look at the blackboard. We have to write 32 multiply by 23 like this. Always when we multiply, we have to put them in proper place value and put them in order. So as you can see, we have 3 at the ones place. So we begin the sum from 3 and our focus should be on 3. We don't have to see this 2. Don't look at this. Start from this 3 and the turn of 2 will come later on. Let us start. The first step, we have to start from 3 2s are 6. Write down the 6 here. Then 3 3s are 9. Write down the 9 here. So the turn of 3 is over. Now in the second step, it is the turn of 2. So before starting this tens, this is on the tens place, we have to put a cross or a 0 at the second step. Let us put a cross because the digit which we are starting is on the tens place. So first of all, we have to put a 0 or a cross on the ones place. So now it is the turn of this 2. In the second step, you can see we have to write the answers on the second step on the next line. 2 2s are 4. So we have to write down 4 in the tens place. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 will go over to the hundreds place. Now we have obtained two multiplication sums, one of 3 and one of 2, and then we have to add them up. When we add up these two multiples, we get 6, 9 plus 4 is 13, and 1 carryover, and 1 and 6 is 7. So the product of these two numbers is 736. So you can see this is very easy. It will come, only one thing you have to remember, that you have to put a cross at the second step. I'll show you again in another example. Let us take 42 multiplied by 23. So similarly, again you do it yourself. What I told you just now. First we have to begin from the ones place value. It is the turn of 3 and the turn of 2 will come later on. So don't look at it. Just look at this 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. So first number one's turn is over. It's the turn of the digit at the tens place. So that's why we have to put a 0 or a cross at the ones place. Don't forget to put this. If you don't put this, your answer will be wrong. So please remember, this is very important. You have to put a 0 or a cross in the ones place value first and then start the multiplication of second digit, that is at the tens place. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So to obtain the product of the two numbers, we have to add these two multiples. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 plus 8 is 9. So the product of these two numbers, 42 and 23, is 966. So that's how you're going to solve all the sums which have been given in your book. Thank you.